most AI website builders throw together a really nice looking landing page, but when it comes to things like SEO, hosting, performance, and security, they fall apart. Well, what if I told you there's a new vibe coding tool that does all of that, and it's built on top of WordPress, the web's most trusted platform? Today, I'm going to build a complete site called Magic Vibes from a single prompt, and I'll show you how AI builds, edits, and hosts and secures it all in one place. Let's build with 10web's AI website builder. Build a website called Magic Vibes, a modern educational site for creators learning how to build AI automations. I want you to include a hero section with the tagline Build AI Magic with no code. I've got ideas in my head, let's get them onto a page. And immediately it spins into action. It's got the prompt there, it's analyzing the prompt, it looks really good. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's thought it over and it's already building a clean, detailed structure for the website. Look at this, a homepage. Look at this, tutorials about Mike Russell. Why choose Magic Vibes? AI automation solutions. Oh my goodness me, this is crazy. So get this, it created me a main page and then 3 subpages. I've got about, tutorials, and over here a contact section. So I feel pretty good about this. Let's go ahead and click generate down here to approve the wireframe. And now at this stage, I'll authorize with my Google account and we're off to the races. Look at this. It's already configuring hosting for me, installing WordPress. That's right. And now it's preparing the environment and soon it will make the front end for me. Now, I've hosted WordPress websites for years and always dreamed of a builder that could just generate everything for me without me having to get extra plugins or templates to make it look good. And with that said, look at this, 10web AI is now generating your website's front end. We'll click this and look at this. The builder is going ahead and setting up the website structure. And in just a few more minutes, you'll see here it's just wrapping up and setting up the website preview. And look at this, it's spun into action. And this is Magic Vibes, build AI magic with no code. Watch tutorials there as a nice button that whips up and down. And this looks really good. Here are my tutorials. That's not quite me, but it's not a problem. I can swap that image out later. Now we've got an FAQ section and more, and we can jiggle all of this around. And of course, it's nice to see that it's built on WordPress. Not only that, you actually own the code. So this is not just some black box AI website generator. It actually gives you the code. And you'll see here in the code editor, yeah, here it all is, all of the code that makes that WordPress website. All right, let's prompt some more and really enhance this website. Add some subtle motion, fade in the hero text, and make the tutorial cards glow when you hover over them. There's my prompt, let's hit enter. Now note I'm saying in natural language what I want my website to look like, not writing out the code. Okay, you'll see over here it's planning the motion, fade hero text, and the glow on my cards, and it's actually taking action right now. And now you'll see, wow, look at that, a beautiful fade in for my text, but not only that, I get a subtle hover glow around the cards now. This is really cool. Vibe coding in action for a WordPress website, and not only that, it's versioned and you own the code, so you can always roll back a mistake. Make the site entirely purple. If you like what you see so far, throw a like and subscribe. I do videos like this weekly. Oh my goodness me, yes, it's definitely different shades of purple going on there. I feel like I'm wearing some magic blue light glasses or something there. Now the best thing is, because the code is available, you can click code diff and you can actually go ahead and look at all of the files it modified. So if you want to dig into the code, you can. For instance, I can open up the CSS file and we can see that lovely purple color palette has been added all the way through in my code. Now, if I don't quite like what I've got here, I've always got restore buttons all the way through the changes I make to roll back, just like this. Boom! And now I'm no longer wearing those blue tinted shades. Pretty cool, huh? Now, of course, I don't need to prompt every time because I've got an edit button down here allowing me to edit any element of my WordPress website. Look at this. As I point and click, things are highlighted. What about this image at the top? Let's say move the image down a bit and make it have a fun, colorful border. And notice I'm misspelling there, but it doesn't matter because this is vibe prompting. And in just a few seconds, yes, oh yes, it's done. It's moved down. We can actually disable the edit mode now. We can see not only has the image moved down, so it's not clashing, but it's got a beautiful and potentially still purple themed border. Let's try another prompt. Collapse the header down to be really small when the user starts scrolling and make sure the menu items disappear. Let's send that off and see what happens next. Okay, it tells me it's done. I'll start scrolling and look at that. How beautiful is that transition? The header gets smaller and the menu items disappear. This is exactly the kind of thing that I'm looking for. I really wish that WordPress had been this easy 10 years ago. Let's go back to edit mode and we'll edit my little logo up here and we'll say add lightning bolts around the title. And stand by. Whoa, look at that. Perhaps I don't quite like that look and I want to roll back. Well, not a problem at all. Just restore and boom, I'm back to normal with my nice, lovely header menu bar. Now take a look at this. Because it's WordPress under the hood, I click the WordPress icon and I am actually in the back end of my website. I can change everything I want to here. For instance, I can add a post. Let's do it just like we always have done in WordPress. Build your first AI employee. Here's a tutorial on AI employees. And because WordPress makes it so easy, all I got to do is just paste a YouTube link and there we go. I'm done. I've now got my first WordPress post. Let's click publish. And it's done. So as you can see, this tool from 10Web is perfect for you if you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, or maybe an agency who needs to pump out really high quality websites and do them with natural language prompts. And it comes with automated WordPress and WooCommerce management, the ability to customize your code to your heart's content, and you also get access to the database management and analytics. Everything you need to run a really cool WordPress site. And when I'm ready, I just hit publish, and my site is live on the web and ready to interact with. And you can also go to the project settings over here, and you'll see not only do I get a secure certificate for my site, I can also register a domain and connect it. And importantly, I can absolutely have backups every single day so that my website data is never lost. And then under advanced, you've got the possibility to customize everything, including your plugins, themes, and well, anything else that might make WordPress faster and zippier. So there you go. This is a launch product. The team has a really exciting roadmap. First up is WooCommerce support. After that, they'll be releasing an API and dedicated white label dashboards for agencies. And looking even further ahead, they're planning for app creation beyond websites. Plus, support is on standby. If you need help with anything, then you can get excellent tech support. Now, if you want to try it out, Vibe for WordPress, linked up down below. Go and create your own WordPress site in seconds. Not hours or days. It's going to be fantastic. Let me know how you get on in the comments down below. New users only, so do use a fresh new sign up. Thank you so much for watching this video. And YouTube is showing a video on your screen now. You should watch next. Thanks.